Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole, and today I thought we would do something a little bit different. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to give me a follow because I like to put polls up, I like to ask you guys questions, and I would love some more interaction from you guys, so definitely give me a follow on Instagram. But I recently asked you guys what you thought about these bad boys. So I did want to tell you guys, don't worry, I'm not getting down on myself because of my hands. I literally poke fun at it because I realize I have very unique hands. I have a normal sized palm, but very short fingers, which makes them look stubby. But don't get me wrong, I love these hands. They allow me to eat, they allow me to work, and I appreciate them very much. I just make fun of them. So I've always gotten my nails done at salons, and whenever I've gotten like fake nails, they've always been like, you can't go long, it won't look good. And to be honest, it never has looked good. George is having a moment. Can you guys see him? I don't think you can, but he's like rolling around on the floor right now, quarantine day, I don't know, 14, am I right? But as I was saying, long nails typically do not look good on these hands. I'm just gonna say that right off the bat. But since I'm in quarantine and I'm not gonna be seeing anybody, I thought, you know what? Let me give this a try. I've always been super jealous of you boys and girls who can have the long nails and your hands look beautiful. I have always wanted that, but it's never lasted on me. I type a crazy amount of emails during the week for my 9 to 5, my like regular job. Not that YouTube isn't a regular job because a ton of work goes into this too, but like my 9 to 5 job that like pays the bills. I'm on emails all day long, and it's always been a struggle to type while having long nails. It's always been a struggle to like open cans. Like I don't have a man around me all the time to be like, hey, open my LaCroix or whatever. And then like putting makeup on YouTube, that's always been a struggle when I've had long nails as well. So I thought during quarantine I would pop on the longest nails I could find and see how long I could last. Now, this is not one of those videos. I like Googled this, and of course videos already exist of like wearing long nails for a while, but those are like nails out to here that they get like here, I'm off frame, that they get at a nail salon, and that's just not practical to me, right? Like I picked up these Kiss Gel Fantasy high volume nails, and they're long. The other thing about my beautiful stubs are I do not have long nail beds, or deep nail beds, is that what you would call it? I don't know. So longer nails, because my nail bed doesn't like come down to there, look like extra long on me. So yeah, I just thought we would have fun in quarantine and do something different and just try it. So I'm going to apply these, and then I'll come back on here. I have a whole video on how I apply I keep calling them false lashes, like makeup is on the brain. Fake nails using Dashing Diva. Those are my favorite press-on nails. They last forever. I absolutely love them, but I can only get my hands on Kiss, so I picked up Kiss. Love Kiss lashes. Hopefully the nails will be as good, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. Check out the Dashing Diva video if you wanna see how I apply them, and then I'll come back here. So let's just do a quick like nail montage. All right, so that's enough of the nail/hand montage. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these, and I will be right back on here with some long ass nails. Oh, and before I forget to mention, I realize my hair is a hot mess right now, but do not expect me to do a full face of makeup, hair, and nails in one video, because it's not gonna happen. I went to bed with wet hair last night. You could see exactly where I slept on it, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. All right, you guys, so that took like 30 minutes for me to get all these on. I did have to soak this nail off, which is why this hand is all like dry. I'm gonna go put on lotion, but that was really painful, and the glue off stuff is complete trash, so don't spend your money on that. George is probably gonna go after that right now, but I've already tried to respond to a couple of emails, answer a text message, and then change my battery, and I was genuinely struggling, and I do want to give this a fair shot, so I am going to go ahead and file them down a little bit. You should do that anyway because there are these little like tabs on the top, but I might even cut it down just a touch because I do want to give this a fair shot. And I mean, even cutting it down like to here, they'd still be long ass nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then file them down with just the little file that came in the kit, and then I'll come back on here and show you what we got. All right, you guys, we made it. I ended up just filing them. I didn't chop them because it was too much work and I'm already kind of irritated. This nail, the one that I had to take off and then put back on, is in pain. It feels super hot, especially around the cuticle, but that's pretty typical when you rip off a nail that you've just applied glue to. I put some lotion on my hands so I feel like they look a little bit better, but I don't know, girl. Sometimes I'm like, yes, those look good, like especially when I hold them out like this, but then sometimes I'm like, ooh, girl, no, what are you doing? That shape isn't for you. Obviously the color does not complement my skin tone, but that's kind of why I picked this color, because I thought if I wanted to, I could paint over it. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna go about my day. Like I said, it was very difficult to send a couple of emails. The battery in the camera was a challenge, and I don't know. If I make it through the night, I'm gonna be proud of myself. I don't know how you girls and boys do this on like the regular. I know there's gonna be a phase of like adjusting to it, but man, I give you guys credit because I'm in pain and I'm already like, ooh, how am I gonna survive? So yeah, I'm just gonna go about my day, and maybe, you know, tomorrow and the next day as well if I keep them on. I'm gonna really, really give it my all and try my best to not get annoyed. You know what I'm gonna do to try to keep myself calm?
Yes.
That sound, I love that sound so much. It like immediately calms me down. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. Again, if I make it through the night, I'm gonna be proud of myself. So yeah, here's my new and improved nails. If I do end up painting them, I'll obviously let you guys know, but that is it for now. I am bowing down to all of you who do this on the daily or have long nails on the daily. Like, you're not applying fake nails on the daily probably, but maybe you are. I don't know. This is gonna be a challenge. All right, challenge number 1. Can of Coke. Here is what they are looking like. This nail is still in pain. It's a few hours later, but you know, we're gonna try our best. So it's hard to do this. Okay, that's not bad at all. I'm just using my, you know, finger, like this part of my finger instead. I hope that made sense. This video might be a hot mess, but challenge 1 achieved. Okay, call me easily entertained, or, you know, being bored from being quarantined, but you want to know what's really fun? It's like playing the claw game, but with your fingers. Pretty cool. You like that, huh? Feels nice. Let's see, do you like it? Oh yeah, we got the tongue action. We like it, huh? And the final little munchkin. Oh yeah. He really likes it. Approved, approved, approved. So he has already pooped, so I don't have to worry about, you know, using bags with the nails, but hopefully they'll last through the night and I can try tomorrow. But we did go on a nice long walk and I ran into no issues with the leash pulling, which I was kind of nervous that one of them would like pop off. So far so good. But look at this jacket. How stinking cute. What a stud. All right, so I was getting ready to tell you guys after I finished my skincare that I wasn't having many issues with the nails at all, except for texting and typing. And then 5 o'clock hit, it was ready to take off my makeup, you know, quarantine life. So I did that, and then it was time to put my moisturizer on, and I literally knocked the moisturizer right off of the counter into the running water because I had to use the back of my nail to get it rather than my finger. So I literally just washed about $25 worth of product into the sink because this was opened about a day ago. So Awesome. Okay, so we made it through the night, and you guys are not looking at my face right now because my face is a hot mess because I just woke up about an hour ago, but this is the part that I'm super nervous about with the nails. So every morning I have to give Stanley Prozac, doing the claw method again, and he takes this little tiny pill. So I'm just gonna put that there for a second. And he won't just take the pill with like a pill pocket. I have to form the pill pocket around his favorite Greenies treats. So hopefully I can do it today. George, you are not getting these. This is cat treats and you just ate breakfast. See, here's the problem, okay? I have a very hard time opening these as well. And boy, have I realized how many times I open bags like this in a day through this process and how difficult it is. And now it's on my nail. Ew. All right, so getting the pill pocket, besides opening the pill pocket, wasn't terrible, but let's see if I can form this onto his little treat. So I take half a pill pocket, I put the pill in here, and then his favorite little fish treat, I like form it like this, and it just crumbled, which doesn't normally happen. We're gonna have to try again with another pill pocket. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, see, the problem is I really use my fingers to form this, and the nails are really getting in the way. So I don't know if he'll take this, but I'm gonna give it my best. Usually it's a lot less like chubby and more formed to the little thing, but you know, whatever. I'm also extremely concerned about putting my contacts in with these. I don't think I'm gonna be able to film it because I just don't have room in my bathroom, but let me try and I'll come right back here and tell you how it went. Okay, so first of all, can someone tell me why I feel it necessary to just like, you know, touch my face with these nails like 24/7, but putting contacts in wasn't hard at all. George is obsessed with carrying sticks, so he always grabs one on the walk home, but who would have thought today was the day after yesterday? Yesterday it was about 60 degrees and we were both in denim jackets. Today we're both in like big puffer jackets and it's freezing, it's like 30s, but anyway, he did do his business and we had no problems whatsoever. So no issues with the nails with that, if you were wondering about that. And he did see a dog who started barking at him and he kind of pulled hard and it didn't do anything to the nails. So happy about that because I was quite worried. George, wow. Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go inside? All right, let's go. Do you want to know what? In these 26 hours of having these nails on, I've realized I'm just not a long nail girl. It's not for me. It makes my life a little more difficult. It makes me slow down, and I'm somebody who wants to be like go, go, go all the time. So we're gonna take these bitches off. So what I have here is pure acetone. George is gonna give me a kiss. Thank you so much. I tried to include my animals a lot, obviously, in this short video because I think they just make everybody smile, and I think we can all use a smile. So obviously this video is goofy and not like my typical video. I'm just kind of being myself. I feel like we all kind of have to, you know, just figure out a way to make each other laugh, and I hope this video made you laugh. It's obviously in no way educational or inspirational. It's just made to kind of, you know, make you guys laugh and try something new. If there's anything above all that I'm trying to work on during this time, it's, you know, finding lightness in every situation and finding a reason to like be happy and smile. So anyway, tangent aside, let's get going. I have the Ulta 100% pure acetone. I have warm water in a big bowl and then a little bowl in there. I read online this morning in bed that that's what you do. And whenever I get my dip removed, they always put a paper towel in there and they say to like rub your nails on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill it up with the acetone and then I'm gonna put a towel over my hand like this so it like kind of creates like a steam situation. Hold please, because George just went into the dining room and he might be eating cat poop. Did you eat the cat poop? Did you eat the cat poop? You might as well just admit it now. Did you eat the cat poop? I don't think he ate the cat poop. Did you? Normally when he does, like, I know he has, so fingers crossed he didn't. Yes, he likes to eat cat poop. It's gross, it's nasty, but you know, I still love him. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and plop the little paper towel in the small bowl. It said to make sure, George, you're making this a little bit difficult. That's one thing that like I've spent the last like 26 hours doing, is giving my animals all the scritchies I possibly can, because they love these nails. If there's one thing that has been awesome about this, it's giving my animals lots of scritchies because they love it. And then in my hair as well, it feels really good, you know, and like these sounds, I just love them. But I'm ready to take them off. So I'm gonna put George to the side because I don't want him to like inhale these fumes or anything. This is all I have. So I'm hoping this is gonna be enough. I know there was something else I wanted to say to you guys, but I can't remember. So if I think of it, I'll let you know. But for now, I'm just gonna pour this in there. Yeah, that's the end of it. This is gonna take forever because I have to do one hand at a time, but you know what? It's fine. I also have no makeup on right now, obviously. I'm dunking the hand. I have no makeup on, obviously, because I don't wanna put on makeup. That's all there is to it, but yeah, do you know what? I give you girls and boys who have these a ton of credit because this was really challenging. Oh, I was gonna tell you guys I almost painted them last night. The other hand looks the same. I'm obviously dipping it. I feel like I'm getting a little more used to the color. At first I was like, yeah, that color is really not for you. And I was gonna paint them last night, but then I was like, you know what? It might mess it up and I can't deal with it. It was enough stress having to slow my life down with these. Like texting was so difficult, having to write emails was so difficult, and in general, everything was just moving a lot more slow for me and I gotta like keep it going. I wonder if it would have been easier if I did like a gradual, so like if I went short, which would probably be long on me because again, stumps, and then medium and then long, so there was like a progression. Like I have friends who have these and they just like function normally. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and soak these off and then work on them. And yeah, I think this video was super fun. I'll put a little montage at the end of all the pictures I took of these. I took as many pictures as possible because again, this was just different from me. And I hope it made you laugh. That's the whole point of it. I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable being in front of the camera, like not doing a video. So like maybe we can kind of turn it into like a vlog, not blog. Hello, Brittany, get your terms, your internet, social media terms correct. But maybe I can get a little more comfortable and, you know, I know you guys say you want to see vlogs, but I'm just not that interesting of a person. I'm really goofy and sometimes I'm nervous you guys won't get my humor because I just have like really goofy humor. But yeah, that's it for this one, you guys. This was fun. Let me know if you guys have long nails or what you guys think of long nails and how you guys like adjust to it. This was definitely different and now is the time in quarantine to try anything you've been wanting to try. If you want to try dyeing those eyebrows, girl, like black, if you have blonde hair, do it. Now is the time. So thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. Lots of makeup tutorials on my channel. This is definitely a lot different. Definitely give me a follow on Instagram as well. Like I said, I want to interact with you guys more on there. That gives me content to film on here. So I'd love to hear from you guys during polls and like different kind of makeup you use. This is getting really warm, by the way, so hopefully it's working. But yeah, give me a follow on Instagram and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.